In this video we are going to learn how to extend video duration in Canva. So guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, you can see I have opened the Canva here. So let me put one video here. Okay, let me put this video here. Okay, this is video around 18 seconds. So if I try to extend this video length, I am unable to do it. Okay, because there is no any option to extend the original video length in Canva, but there is a one solution or trick you can use. Okay, simply add the another page and just select that page, select the end of this page like this, and just drag the or resize this page length. So you can see I have resized around 22 seconds. Now take the same video and put on the second page. Now delete the first page, just click on this three dot option and delete the page. Then this is your first page, which is 22 seconds, but this video will be loop again and again as you increase the size. Okay, but you need to increase this length or page size before adding the video. Okay, so you can see now I am unable to increase the size or length. So the original video was the 16 seconds, I think. Okay, 18 seconds, but this length is 22 seconds, but this video will be loop after every 18 seconds. Okay, because the original length is 18 seconds, so it will be loop again and again as per your page length or size. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.